everybody and welcome back on Fashion Channel. Here we are in Cannes, between the beach and La Croisette, for Mare di Moda, one of the most important fairs in Europe and all over the world for beachwear and underwear. So let's go together inside to discover all the trends for the next 2022 spring-summer. Let's go, come on!
The people who are buying now are the young and the rich. Those are the two parts buying, so again it's polarized. And I find it very interesting looking at the Tiffany campaign. You know, Tiffany was my generation, it was my sister, my mother, everybody loved Audrey Hepburn, and it was like Breakfast at Tiffany's was a film, and everybody associated that product.
The gaming, a great trend given by millennial generation, where we can see fashion meeting the trends of cyber reality.
Listen, fashion is about wildness, it's about being very fast. We've always been fast. The first out of the blocks have been fashion people, you know. So the whole concept of virtual suits fashion, because fashion is very visual, like looking at you, right? So if I take your grey shift, right, your shift dress, and I could put it on the digital, and I could layer it digitally, and you become like a real beautiful avatar. You've got the look of an avatar already, so you're perfect for. So telling the reality, it's perfect for fashion.
Do you think that the avatar reality is becoming more important than the reality for the young generation?
It's a perfect storm. You've got haptic touch, you've got artificial intelligence, and you've got NFTs, non-fungible tokens, which change the whole market, which put that digital artwork, right, to be a real, nobody could copy it. So I can buy digital without it being copied, right? And then I've got the whole thing happening all together. It's a perfect storm. So my generation, our Bible was Vogue. Vogue England, Vogue America, Vogue Italia, you know, and we looked at Vogue. And Vogue was full of beautiful pictures, and it was all designers. It was Gaultier in my time, Mugler and all the rest of it, and Yves Saint Laurent. And it was all like expensive, but our dream was at that high level. But what this generation looks like is all influencers, Instagram, fast fashion, accessibility. So their reference point is not like, oh, the great world of waiting 6 months for something beautiful. It's like, I want it now, I can't afford it now, and my whole reference is influencers, people selling me things and speed. So they have a different background.
Simple, sexy. Keep it simple, sexy.